25th May this year, the HRDC launched this award for the first time in
the HR Excellence Awards is the first recognition framework introduced in Mauritius in 2011 to promote, encourage and showcase successes and accomplishments of the HR community.
To see that this very first edition of the HR Excellence Award has attracted significant participation.
Getting the award was an element of pride and an element to motivate us to improve, first of all, of our employees, and eventually it defines the success of the company at large.
Excellence Awards has indeed helped us to have more insights in what we are currently doing. For instance, being questioned by a panel of professionals, being visited by authorities and personalities from the HR world has certainly helped us to question a number of things that we currently do.
Winning the award obviously gave confidence to employees and management alike of the commitment of top management to care for their employees. The initiative of the HRDC for coming up with such a platform for sharing of best practices is a commendable job.
The main objective of the award is to raise awareness among employers of the importance of developing and retaining their most valuable asset, that is, their people.
Presently, in our new strategic roadmap, it is how we bring the post towards the digital world. And for this, it means another level of change in mindset. When the company was formed in 2003 to operate the postal services, it was bringing the people from a public service to a private entity. This also has necessitated a lot of mindset change, training, coaching, and implementation of new strategies. And the employees followed that trend due to our social dialogue and element of sincerity and confidence that we built around it.
The winners of the HR...
This award recognizes both organizations and HR practitioners who have demonstrated significant efforts and results in the management of people through the application of high quality and innovative HR practices.
Well, what it doesn't mean is that we think we are the best. It doesn't mean that at all. It means that we are on the right track. We are still in the journey, and what we have obtained from the award is recognition that we are on the right track in the journey.
The formula which can be transmitted towards all is that self-esteem will be equal to productivity, and productivity will be equal to quality of service, and quality of service will equal to customer centricity and satisfaction, and this will equal to sustainability of your organization.
The framework used in the first edition has been enhanced to include additional categories by size of organization, non-profit making organizations, the public sector, and organizations of all types in Rodrigue. This initiative also provides a platform for knowledge transfer, for reflection, sharing, and analysis of practices pertaining to HR, fostering cross-fertilization of ideas and initiatives that have been successfully implemented in organizations.
We were lucky enough to have won the HRDC HR Commitment Award, but participating in the award itself has been a very helpful event because it allowed us to carry out a self-assessment of existing procedures and policies that were in place. And we have often realized then that a few of them had to be revised to adapt to international HR practices.
For us at the MCB, participating in the HR Excellence Awards has been a most enriching experience. We have been able to review everything that we currently do and polish a few things that needed to be polished.
Participating in the HRDC Excellence Award has been a challenging and fruitful exercise for the company, in the sense that it has made us more aware to pin down the HR components deliberately and specifically, and to make people more aware about its importance more and more in strategizing.
Organizations and HR practitioners across all sectors are welcome to participate in the HR Excellence Awards 2013.
We will definitely take part in the next edition of the award and hope we will be able to demonstrate to the jury that we have further improved our HR practices. I would certainly advise other organizations to participate because it can only be beneficial to them, even if they don't win.